My name is Francis, and today I'll be teaching you how to add a page to a Squarespace website. So, in front of us, we have a Squarespace website that has been designed and finished for a client recently. And I would love to actually show you how you can add a page to a sample website like this or to your website. And the reason why this is important is as a business owner or a website owner that has plans to increase your website and how many people you reach, you might always need to add pages to your website because it is essential to keep your site updated and relevant and clean. So yeah, to begin this, first of all, you need to sign into your Squarespace account, the dashboard, and right here you are going to see all the websites you are in charge of currently. On my personal account, I'm in charge of up to 5 to 7 account websites. So yeah, you click the website and it brings you to the back end of the website. This is where you see where all the changes are done before the viewers actually see your website. So yeah, you click to pages. Then this is where you can actually choose to add your page to your website. The difference between adding a page here and here is when you add the page here, it shows on the navigation here. And when you add the page here, it won't show on the navigation. Most times you might want to create a page for, let's say, booking a particular type of service. That is when you can create that link create that page on the non-linked side of the website. So, and if you want to show the page and let your viewers, your website visitors be able to click through from the top of the website here, then I recommend you add them on the main navigation. So today I'm going to be creating the website from the non-linked navigation. So before you create a page, always try to understand the type of page you want to create. Is it a blog page? Is it a store page? Is it a gallery or a portfolio page to showcase your services and all? So you can choose from the templates they have here, which is very easy for you to work with. But most times when you are starting from scratch, you can always choose a blank page so you can always work on it. So when you create a blank page, the first thing you are going to do is to give it a name. So we are going to give this page sample page name. When we press enter, it's going to create a very blank page where we can always design from scratch. So you come down to edit, and here you can add sections to the page. You can choose to add a saved section from the previous website's sections you've designed, or you can choose to add a blank section, or you can choose to add these sections that has been pre-created by Squarespace. So let's say we are trying to create a contact page. We'll come down here and click the section we want. There are several sections here that we can choose from, but let's use this for a start. So when you click the one you want, you can double click or just click on it. It's going to actually populate it on the website. And there's several ways we can redesign this page. We can just come down here and click on colors, pick from different type of colors we have, and choose the design that works for the website and the best we can get. Yeah, so I think I like this better. Then you can choose to delete or add a block image. But personally, I don't like this block image, so I can remove this and let this go. And here you can drag and drop elements. You can drag and drop blocks. So you delete this and you drag this section up. So this is like a very quick way um to create a page. Now let's now say we are trying to create a new section above this. So we click this template. So we are going to name this create a new page for me here. We can give it header 2 or header 3. Regardless, we can change the color of this text to whatever we want. So here we can use a custom color that we want from our mind, or we can use a color from the color palette of the website. So depending on whatever we want to use, it is our choice to make that happen. So I guess this is how you can create a page on your Squarespace website and redesign it to whatever you want and how good you want it to be. And always try to make sure you check on your mobile view to eliminate spaces, unwanted spaces, and to make it look good. You can always change the image that was given to you by Squarespace and add your own here. You can replace either from the previous images on your gallery or your library, or you can upload from your PC. So yeah, that is all you need to see and know about Squarespace, adding a page to Squarespace. If you have more questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply them. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.